Hello everyone, and in today's video, I will be reviewing the tuners. Now first off, we have Boost, who's the gang leader. Now he is based on a Nissan Silvia, specifically the S14 and S15, with a custom wide body kit. Now as you can see, he has a carbon fibre bonnet, obviously carbon fibre wheel arches. I think that might be carbon fibre side skirts as well, I think. And obviously his name on the side as well. And not to mention, he's got cans of nitrous as well. And now moving to the back. Look at those exhausts, man. Insane. Obviously his name. And then, obviously at the top, it says his hometown's Nitropolis. And yeah. The next, we have a DJ, real name Devin. Now he is based on the 2004 Scion XB. Now, he got some, I don't know, bolts, or I'm not too sure if I'm honest. Obviously there's bolts again, obviously, then there's obviously speakers. Obviously the speakers, and then that wing, it was big, but not as big as Boost's. And I mean, look at how many spokes on that wheel. There are too many to count. Then round to the back, it's got, but yeah, literally a full sound system, yeah. And then exhaust, so. Well, can't really see it because, when I was younger, I bashed all, didn't care about damaging all my cars, I just bashed them around. Yeah, then, there's Wingo. Now, if you thought a boostering wing was a bit big, oh boy, you're wrong. Then, now, look at Wingo's, and then some purple, whatever, purple decals or whatever. Up on the side, he's got some Japanese, which I heard, well, Japanese, it says import, which is why he is. And he's based on a Mitsubishi Eclipse, like from Fast and Furious. Then obviously orange swipe, and then round to the back, and that large exhaust, and even larger wing, which is cool. It's probably a favourite one. But then last but not least, Snot Rod. Now he's based on I think it's the old Dodge Charger from like 60s. And you can definitely tell because he's got the blower. He's got blower, and well, this is on the flame. So obviously, this is the variation of the flame. So obviously, has flames coming out. Quad exhausts. Well, on one side. No, well, in total, it has 8 exhausts. Well, from what I can see here, and around to the back. Nothing much going on really. It says SR, obviously for Snot Rod. It says his name here. Looks like the Hot Wheels whatever from Horizon 5. Hey! And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in the next video.